Hello students, I hope last video you had seen and the calculation I had done on this video you might have copied in the textbook or notebook. Then at that time you have to do, then only you can complete your work. Today we will continue our chapter Trip to Bhopal, third part. Last class I had explained that the children already started their travel to Bhopal, and on the way they were crossing a bridge, that is Narmada Bridge. So they were excited to see, and they were discussing about the river, how much wide and long it is. So one of the students told Gopi, "Oh, it is 100 meters. No, it is much more, can't say." So they themselves have a doubt whether it is 100 meters or more. So he himself told, "I am not sure, it may be more than that." Then another girl, Victoria, she told, it must be more than half a kilometer. So she had guessed that it is not 100 meters, it is more than half a kilometer. Everybody knowing 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So more than half means more than 500. So she had told an approximate length. Then their teacher, Miss Asha, she heard their conversation. So she told, "Look, it is written." So she had pointed towards outside. On there is a board was there. So it is written, "This bridge is 756.82 meters long." So she told exact length of the bridge is already written on the side board. So you can see 756.82. So Victoria, what she guessed was correct. It is more than 500 meters. So 756 means more than 500 meters. So we can guess that Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. So teacher also agreed with her. Was Victoria right? So there was a question arising. That girl guessed it was right or not. So how we will say that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 500 meter means more than half kilometer equal to 500 meter. So 756.82 is more than 500. So more than half kilometer. So she was approximately right. Then Sadaf, "I just can't imagine 500 meters." So he told, "What is 500 meter? I can't imagine how much length it is." So teacher given an idea how can they uh, think the length. "See, our bus is about 5 meters long." She told one calculation. That means you think that our one bus, mini bus, is 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. So one after another, another bus of the same length, if we will stand on this bridge, how many buses we can keep on the straight line? One bus length is 5 meter. So the length of the bridge is 756. So more than 500. So we can take that 5 multiplied by 100 equal to 500. So 500 upon 5 equal to 100 buses. 5 meter means 500 centimeter. So 500 upon 5 equal to 100. So answer is 100 buses. So that is approximately he can imagine 100 buses are standing in a line. What will be the length? That more than that will be the bridge length. Now teacher had given an idea like this. The children can imagine themselves. "Have you ever crossed a long bridge?" So she asked a general question to all the children. You might be traveled here, there. So have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? So when you were crossing that bridge, you had noticed that what was the length of that particular bridge. It is different person traveled in different places. So some bridges are small ones, some are big one. So some of them may be cross rail bridge less than 500, some may be more than 500, some may be 100. It depends upon them. So we cannot write exact answer, but it depends upon. Many of them traveled here there. So this Narmada bridge itself, Narmada river, that particular bridge itself is now 756.82 meters. So more than 500 it is. So they answer yes. Everyone looks down at the river. So all were looking down. So another their sir, that is Mr. Rakesh, told the water level now is quite low because it is summer season. So the water level is very low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. So he told that look at that, the water is very less now. There will be level written. So it is below 40 meters. Uh, the water level is under the bridge. Then Miss Asha told, but in the rainy season, the water has risen. Of course, if there is heavy rain, all the water will be collected in the rivers and the level of the river will be rising. So she told, during rainy season, this is not the condition. Sometimes overflow, flood also comes. People have to eradicate or vacate from that places during the rainy season. Very recently it might be happened in Orissa that cyclone was there, so people were shifted to various places for uh, protecting their lives. So sometimes along with the heavy rain the rivers also flooded. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. So then rainy season, more and more water will be filling in the rivers. So it will be the river level, that water level will be, then it was just above 15 meters below the bridge. That means level is increasing. So now the question arising. What is the difference between water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now? Now they are asking the question, what is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now? So, when the water level is more, then the maximum water will be filled in that, and during the summer season the level is very low. So, when it is high, it is 40 meters, and when it is low, 15. So, what will be the difference between summer season and rainy season? 40 minus 50, 25 meters. So this way the teacher asked some questions to think themselves. At the same time they were enjoying their trip also, and they were traveling. At the same they were studying some general things about their journey. Students, whatever solution I had explained now, it is already printed here. So I will read and you have to note down either in your notebook or textbook. There is place there also you can solve it, or in notebook it is better you copy in your notebook. So first one, today's solutions. Question number 1, was Victoria right? Just now I had explained Victoria was saying it must be more than half a kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So half a kilometer means 0.5, that is 500 meter. So the bridge actual length of the bridge is 756.82 meters long. So 752.82 meters is long, more than half kilometer. So Victoria was correct. Now, have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Now, so I told it is a general question it is, but at the same time, now these all children are traveling through Narmada bridge. So actually this Narmada bridge is 756.82. So they can say yes, the bridge was about 756.82 meters long. Some others may be earlier also they may be traveled or crossed a long bridge. Now next question. What is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now? Look at the answer. I had already explained. At present, the water level is 40 meters below the bridge. In rainy season, it is just 15 meters below the bridge. That means the water level will be rising due to the rainwater. Now it is summer season, so water level is very less level low. So it is 40 meters below the bridge. So the difference between water level of Narmada in the rainy season and that at present is 40 meters minus 15 meters equal to 25 meters. So students, today we are going to wind up our video, and next part we will explain next day. So what you have to do, this solution you have to copy in your notebook. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.